In this video, we're taking a look at monochrome red LED signs. They are double-sided, 8 feet wide, 2 feet tall. They are 32 pixels tall by 128 pixels wide. To the camera, it appears that the text is flashing, or you can see black lines over it. As we get closer, we notice that the LEDs are constantly on. There are 4 mounting brackets on the top and the bottom of the LED signs. They're very easy to install. They can be installed on a pole, 2 poles, or brick wall. For this application, we actually installed them on galvanized piping that we custom built and put in the back of this truck. Here's side number 2. Now let's take a look at the software. In the software, after you get it connected, you're going to use Ethernet cable and use your network and sync it with your computer and the software. That's a different video. But we want to make sure that the software is set to 32 by 128. And we can go ahead and add a screen, and we're going to select text, make sure that the height and width are the same, and we can put a frame around it. The color of the frame, keep in mind, is going to be red. Or you can change the frame, you can add a frame. You don't even need a frame if you don't want one. To add text, you click here and just type in the text that you want. The text will display in the display window. You can change the size of the text, and you can change how the text comes in. I like the random, but there are many different options. This is the speed at which the text enters, and this is the stay button, and this is how long it stays, and that's in milliseconds. So make sure you add a 0 to put it in seconds. And we preview it, and we see our hello world. Let's go and add another step. We're going to do text. We're going to make sure the height and the width are the same, and we can choose the color red for our frame and add the text. Click here, and you can type in whatever text you want. You can add more rows if you'd like. Center it. You can change the line spacing so they're spaced out a little bit further. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Just play around with it, learn. I'm going to choose 2 seconds, and I don't know, let's just keep it at random, that'll be fine. And let's preview it, and here is how it's going to preview on the LED sign. We'll stop it. Now if you want to send it to the LED sign, you click the send button. Make sure to save it first. After you've saved it, then you can go ahead and send it to the LED sign. Keep in mind you need to make sure that you are connected to the sign. For this simulation, we're not actually connected to the sign.